Hello again, it's Noob, and this is the fearsomely named OnGuard Doberman. Yep, I didn't believe it when I heard that name either, but yes, that is true. And it comes with a whole bunch of keys. It's just a bike cable lock. You can see that it's a slider lock, so I think that there are 6 sliders, 3 little sliders on either side, and it operates like that, and you pull the cable out. That's not unfamiliar. It's a sprung core like that, and if you look down the keyway, I'll try and get a little probe or something to show you, but you can probably just about see down here you've got these tiny little sliders, and they are at the bottom and they will slide up. So the sliders are both sides and they are situated sprung at the bottom here. So picking that can be a bit tricky. You need quite a fat turning tool. So you need to try to find a way to obviously get turning force on this lock. You could probably try with something like I don't know, like a dimple lock turning tool, or maybe you could get away with like a pry bar of some kind. A lot of other turning tools, they tend to just rotate around in this keyway that is quite wide. I have found this really thick turning tool which just goes in the center like that and provides just enough turning force. So if I can hold that like this, maybe turn around a bit, got a lot of cable here all getting in my way, and then I've got like a slider tool, and getting this on camera is going to be a little tricky, I think, but we'll try. It's trying to get the whole thing in shot and out of the way. So I can go underneath the sliders on one side like this, and as I just bumped past one of the sliders at the bottom, I felt the core turn. So I'll try and go down the other side and just trying to feel those 3 sliders, and we are already open. That was about it. Yep. So yeah, I think I'd rather a real Doberman at this point. Let's have a look at why I think that it picked so quickly, this lock. And I'm sure that not all of these OnGuard Dobermans are like that. But if you think about this key operating sliders on, say, this side, like this. So I'm getting this tool and I'm going underneath the sliders here. So I'm already probably either picking or sliding under the sliders, which would be in pin position 1 and 2 on the, which side would that be? Actually be on the right hand side, but as I'm sliding under them, you'll see that I only have to really pick up on this one here. Then on the other side, I slide under this, 0 lift, and pick this one here. That's it. It's possible you might even be able to jiggle these if the bitting is even worse than this, or maybe it's a slope here, slope there. I don't know. I just think that 6 sliders and just made that way too simple. So yeah, that's the OnGuard Doberman. Really didn't take a lot to pick. Short video at least, eh? Right, well, look, let me know what you think to this lock in the comments below. Do you have one of these? Are you trying to pick one of these? What do you have one? Do you own one? Let me know what you think to this in the comments down below. I do read them all and reply to them as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, then please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like. It all really helps in it. I really appreciate it. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.